Looking for a home with a mountain view on top of a hill with a gated entrance and a long paved driveway? Peaceful, private and secluded with room to grow. 9+ acres that can be developed with additional cabins or RV lots. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch-style home has an open floor plan and is immaculate. Perfect for a permanent residence or overnight rental. Large 3-car detached garage. Underground utilities, city water, and a well. New roof installed in 2020. Outbuildings and RV carport included. Only 15 minutes to Pigeon Forge and all the fun. For more information or to make an offer, contact Kim Good at 865-446-0126 with Keller Williams Smoky Mountain Realty. Office phone number 865-999-8601. Each office is independently owned and operated. Thank you for watching.